Here we are at 2 o'clock in the morning. There's the water wall getting ice on it. It's 20 degrees outside and we're lighting fires. We've been here pretty much getting ready for a couple days, and now we've been here actually manning the fires. Just trying to keep the greenery, and it's quite a lot. This is gonna be one for the record books. Had we known really how it worked, Preston did the math, and it would probably be better if we would have just bought a bunch more of those heaters and propane tanks. But I don't know if you can see how far down it goes, but we've been feeding fires and stocking wood for what seems like forever to try to keep our greenery from freezing. And here comes Lupe. It's 2 in the morning now. Lupe's coming around the corner with more pallets of firewood on the tractor, and that's the current situation.